Hey guys, it's Ben. Just coming on here to do a quick video of this pineapple corer. Now, what this does is it slices and cores the pineapple, which makes it easy to prep the pineapple. What you have to do first, though, you take the knife, cut the top off the pineapple so you can access the top of it, so that this here, the slicer corer, can go on here and slice in and core the pineapple. What I do sometimes myself is, if the base is a little wonky, I cut the base off so it's nice and flat so it sits on here. So when you're spinning the core in, you don't have the pineapple slipping on you. This one here is not bad. I'm going to not bother cutting the bottom off because it's sitting pretty good. Now I'm going to start the core sideways so you can see. You push it into the top of the pineapple. It has the teeth so it bites in. Oops. You do it right in the center so that when you're spinning this, it has teeth on the side here. When you're spinning this, it will cut into the pineapple. This slices the pineapple, draws the slicer core down, and the core of the pineapple goes up the center of this tool here. And I'll show you how easy it is to slice and cut this pineapple, and then as well as remove the core from the tool. So you just simply twist it. It doesn't take much effort at all. I'm not pushing down on it. I'm just spinning the core slicer, and the teeth and the angle of the blade are doing all the work itself. Makes it really easy and quick, and you don't have to worry about cutting off the sides of the pineapple, slicing it, and then cutting out the core on your own. This does it all in one. So when you get to the bottom, you can tell it's at the bottom. I just keep spinning it around. Now you can see it spin. It's free. You can pull out the whole pineapple center. There we go. And as you can see, this one here, because I didn't bother cutting the bottom off, the core stayed in the pineapple. But if it does go into the tool, you simply remove the handle, dishwasher safe, and you can push the core out from here. You simply push this down like this, and pull out the tool, and you have your pineapple all nicely sliced. Now you can slice it up so it falls apart and you have individual pieces. This as well goes into the dishwasher, makes it nice and easy, quick cleanup, and you can easily and quickly core and slice a pineapple.